of labor and effects of the pandemic have accelerated the deployment of robots in various industries, such as manufacturing, retail, agriculture, logistics and warehouses, delivery, and healthcare. We have been working on a robotics platform named NVIDIA Isaac for over 5 years, building on top of NVIDIA AI and NVIDIA Omniverse. Broadly speaking, the robotics challenge can be broken down into two categories. The first category is the continuous development and operation of the robot or fleet of robots. The second category is the runtime on the physical robot. Whilst building the runtime of a physical robot is very complex, the first category of DevOps of robots is many more times the effort and investment. We have been methodically adding tools to simplify this. The biggest part of it is simulation, and much of this presentation will focus on Isaac Sim and how innovators in the robotics industry are successfully using Isaac Sim to accelerate their development. Physically accurate robotic simulations require numerous 3D assets to build the proper environments to develop and test robots. But all too often, 3D assets are built for visualization and not physically accurate simulation. Isaac Sim-ready assets address this problem. Replicator is the tool for synthetic data generation. Augmenting real-world labeled data with auto-labeled synthetic data vastly improves AI model accuracy and reduces the time to create the AI model. Pre-trained models and the Tau toolkit provide a great starting point to rapidly train, adapt, and optimize AI models. Operating a fleet of hundreds, if not thousands, of robots requires accurate dynamic route planning. NVIDIA cuOpt is used for layout planning and real-time route optimization. Finally, for the second category of runtime on physical robots, we are working with the ROS community to accelerate Isaac ROS. The robotics ecosystem is large and complex and spans across industries. As we expand the breadth and depth of the NVIDIA Isaac platform, adoption continues to grow. Over 1 million developers and more than 1,000 companies are leveraging one or many parts of the platform. You can see several of our ecosystem partners at CES this year. John Deere, Skydio, Agrist, Gluckskind, Septon, and Soul Robotics are a few of our partners who have also received innovation awards. Recently, we enabled Isaac Sim in the cloud, any cloud, your choice. This has made Isaac Sim more accessible, scalable, and collaborative. A developer is no longer limited by the capability of their PC or workstation. They can access all the features of Isaac Sim with a single click to the cloud from a browser. The ability to simulate tens, hundreds, if not thousands of robots in parallel is one of the unequivocal benefits of simulation. Engineers can spawn multiple instances of a virtual robot in the cloud. In addition to addressing the scalability challenge, soon, Isaac Sim will also address simulation of multiple robots in a single instance. Developing robots is a multidisciplinary endeavor. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, computer scientists, and AI engineers come together to build a robot. With Isaac Sim in the cloud, these teams can be located across the globe and still collaborate efficiently. Simulation is playing an important role throughout the life cycle of a robotics project. Our partners are using Isaac Sim to create a digital twin. Isaac Sim is quickly becoming the must-have robotics development tool for all the benefits we talked about. Many leading robotics companies are leveraging Isaac Sim and deploying physical robots that were developed and tested virtually first. Teleexistence has deployed beverage restocking robots across 300 convenience stores in Japan. Deutsche Bahn is training AI models to handle very important but unexpected corner cases that happen rarely in the real world. Sarcos is developing pick-and-place robots for solar farm installation. Ready Robotics is teaching programming of industrial robots with Isaac Sim. Festo uses Isaac Cortex, a tool in Isaac Sim to simplify programming for cobot skills and transfer from sim to real. Flexiv is using Replicator for synthetic data generation to train AI models. Universal Robotics is using Isaac Sim for workforce development to train end operators from the cloud. Fraunhofer is developing advanced AMRs using the physically accurate and full fidelity visualization features of Isaac Sim. Today, we are announcing the next release of Isaac Sim. The new features include improved camera and LiDAR support to more accurately model real-world performance, a new conveyor building tool, a new utility to add people to the simulation environment, a collection of new sim-ready warehouse assets, and a host of new popular robots that come pre-integrated. For ROS developers, this release upgrades support for ROS 2 Humble and Windows. For robotics researchers, we're introducing a new tool called Orbit, which provides operating environments for manipulator robots. We've also improved Isaac Gym for reinforcement learning and updated Cortex for collaborative robot programming. There are many more new features, and the list is rather long, but suffice it to say, there's something for everyone in the new Isaac Sim. We are committed to advancing robotics and arguably investing more than anyone else in the world. We are well on the way to having 1,000 to million times more virtual robots for every physical robot deployed. NVIDIA Isaac platform for robotics continues to grow rapidly in its capabilities and, as a result, in adoption. We're looking forward to updating you with more groundbreaking things in the near future.